Nanda here, aka Lo. Was good, was popping. Welcome back to the channel, y'all. Ooh, look at the hair. It's growth, right? It's growth, right? I know. Anyways, this, as you guys can tell by the thumbnail, this is a little bit different video. I always want to bring it to the channel, but I just didn't know, you know what I'm saying? And I'm finally able to cover to actually do it. So I'm just revamping my sunroom, and I want to show you guys the process. I will link things that I do use inside the description box below if you guys are interested in purchasing any of the stuff that I got that I can link to. So make sure you're looking out for that. And I'm gonna try to do this video not too long, just kind of speak through, but touch on things that I do so you guys can see what I'm doing. So if you guys are interested in seeing how the revamp look on a budget, then definitely keep watching and thumbs up this video. Let me know you like videos like this, because child, I got to get stuff redone. Okay, you see the boxes, so I have to redo things. Okay, get it right, get it tight. So yeah, make sure you guys thumbs up this video, subscribe down below, make sure you are part of Logan, because I don't know what you're doing, you know what I'm saying? It's free 99 over here. The gems keep it coming, and I like to keep everything on a budget, so make sure you subscribe. So guys, I want to show you guys, I will be putting this up, and I bought some legs that I'm going to add on to this furniture to make it a little bit more personable. So that's what we're going to be doing, putting this up. I'll show you little clips of me doing it, and you'll see how it looks at the end. Okay guys, so now I just showed you the furniture. I am just moving everything out of the room, clearing it all out. I've got so much anxiety thinking about it. When I first looked at it, I was like, oh my god, I gotta redo this whole thing. So I had to do this whole thing out and get that figured out. So I'm moving everything out of the room. I'm going to clean it up, get it souped up. Certain things are not going to leave, like the chase that sits on the side and my desk. I'm not taking those things out. I'm just gonna move them around while I sweep and stuff like that, because I cleaned up before I moved in, so I just placed the items there. But yeah, so anyways, I am showing you guys how I got this little abstract wall that I'm about to do, that I did on one side. I gave you guys a little sneak peek. I am using wasabi or wasaki type of tape. I will link everything in the description box so you guys can buy it if you would like, but it's just like the quickest way to spruce up your walls if you're living a rental or living even anywhere that you just want to spruce up the walls and just don't want to change the color. You just want to do something a little different. I decided to do that. I wanted the wall to kind of stand out, because coming in the door you kind of see this wall, and I just want to just show a little extra on it, because I didn't want to paint it. I just didn't want to go through that, because when you paint you gotta repaint, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody got time for that. So I just went ahead and did a little something to the wall and make it pop. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch my little artwork in my magic, y'all. Okay, it's now that I'm done with the wall. I didn't do the very top because I was still debating on how I want to put the curtains. I probably will go ahead and do that afterwards and later on. But right now I'm just cleaning up the windowsill, just so I get rid of that dirt and grime on the wall. Well, not the wall, the windowsill, excuse me. And so I'm going to show you guys me putting up the curtains. I am going the command strip route. Those particular ones was not holding up, sis. I will link the ones in the description box that I didn't use, because child, it was a process. Then I am using my new rod that I got from IKEA, because it's a little longer than the one that I already have. I will link that in the description as well. So I just lined everything up, put my command strip. I use a ruler and just put my command strip and placed it on the wall. Like I said, I will link the one that I actually used in the description. So within that process, I've gotten done with that. I am putting up some mirrors that I also purchased from IKEA that comes in a pack. Like I said, I will link everything in the description box if you guys are interested in that mirror. It was super cute. I like the fact they can go in pieces. I had a design in mind, but it wasn't working out, so I just went with this particular route. Now I am placing my, it's a runner that I got. It's for a different type of table, but I said, why not? We can use it here. So I'm using that, and I'm also putting out the rug I bought from Ross. Super affordable. If y'all don't go to Ross and shop, when I mean go to Ross and shop, y'all. This is what the room's looking like right now. So far so good. I put some curtains up, and yeah, the rug's down. It's getting there, y'all. It's getting okay, y'all, so I did buy some new curtains from Ross. I wanted to use the white curtains. I didn't have them at the moment. I just placed these up there for right now as a placeholder. So I'm just going to go ahead and switch it out to white. I wanted something a little bit more pure, and I will brighten up the room because those are beige. And I just got some extra hooks from Command Stores from Target. So I will also link all the stuff in the description box, like I said before. But I just want to change out the curtains, and I am going to also switch out the placements of the curtains. So I'll let you guys see me do that. On the wall I got from Etsy. I purchased. I thought it would bring some nice personality to the room. I also got some frames from IKEA. I will link everything, like I said, in the description box as close as possible to everything. But yeah, I just want to go ahead and put some stuff on the wall, give some personality, you know, so when people come in, they get to know a little bit about us. I am just gonna go ahead and make everything nice and cute in here before I do the nice reveal for you guys. So if you're interested, don't forget to like, comment down below what's your favorite item in the room, and let's keep watching to see the reveal. Okay guys, so this is how the room is looking. Let me do a quick pan around so y'all can see what it looks like. I'm sorry that I didn't get a video before, but this is what it's looking like now. So let's go through and try to talk about a few things. I repurposed a lot of things because this is just simply a revamp. So a lot of things I already had. This table I already had. This is a part of my couch. I got these pillows from Amazon and Ross. I will link the stuff below. I have these not paintings, but this print work that I got from Etsy. So I will link that below. And the frames I got from IKEA. I did do a little design on the wall, both sides of the wall. I was thinking about going across because I have it on the bottom, but I am going to get to that later because I'm still thinking about it. But I do have my IKEA lamp. I already had that before, just got to put a bulb in it, sis, but I plan on changing it out, so I'm not too pressed to really do that, but it works for right now. I got some new curtains from Ross. I have already had these little fixtures or sculptures or little ornaments type of situation. I'm just now repurposing them as well. The only thing new, I just got this little the only thing I got new is this little chess piece, because girl, we play chess, not checkers, period. And then I got this whole little setup from IKEA. Bought the legs and attached the legs, got that from Amazon. And the little topper on there I also got from IKEA. I think this is like a table topper or something like that. Just utilize it as a nice little thing. It's cute. I already had this, so I'm using it as a little side table, just because I think it's cute there and it needs something right there. And I didn't want to put another plant because I will do that. I love plants. But I'm saying I'm going to use that, maybe put a little lamp, or just keep it the way it is with it being a side table. I also moved all my plants to this corner right over here to make it easier for me, and give them back into a natural habitat because they were already at a corner before. So I just wanted to keep the whole corner vibe going and allow them to get some light from the window. I bought these new mirrors from IKEA. Super simple, affordable. Everything in here is affordable. I will link everything in the description box. If I can't find it, I'll find it on Amazon because I got things off the store. So out the store, but I'll link it from Amazon. I got this mirror from IKEA. I'm probably gonna move this one over a little bit because that's a little bothersome. It's not evenly proportioned, which is fine. I'm cool with it. It doesn't really matter to me, so it shouldn't matter to you, right? Cool, whatever.
Anyway, I had this desk that I already had before, just repurposed everything, just cleaned it up some, got some stuff out the way, added this little thing where I think I could put some pictures and whatever, notes and whatnot. So, and you know, sis, we need to know the pay schedule, baby, because we got to get the paid. We got to get the paid, okay? So that's what I just pretty much did, clean it all up. I got this rug from Ross. Really like it. I think it goes really well with these pillows, as well as me doing a little decor. And then you guys can see the little designs on the curtains. It kind of goes together, you know, coordinate, you feel me? So I really liked it because it had the gold and everything like that. So it's mainly like a neutral tones. I already had that before. I think my mom gave it to me, so I just didn't use it. So I utilized it, putting our wedding picture in there, stuff like that. Bill of vibes, you know, the incense, the candle from what you call it, my little notes, my little, you know, altar, get my stuff, my sage, all that together over there. So this is how it looks. The only thing that I did not do and I returned was the light that I had up here. I was putting a light up here, but I changed my mind because it wasn't working out, sis. I was not as good as an electrician as I thought, so I had to return it, but it looks good otherwise. I'm gonna put some extra little lights that I have in the corners to reflect up and stuff like that, so it's gonna look super cute regardless. But I just want to show you guys the room before, you know, anything, before it messes up and we get wild up in here. And I just made this my little yoga corner and my little plant, water plant thing. I got all that stuff. All the stuff was already something that I had. So this is just a revamp. Saving all the coins, sis, not doing too much. Everything was in here everything that I have in here is affordable. So I love it. Definitely thumbs up if you guys are liking the results. I'm sorry I didn't have a before video, but I hope the picture will do. So yeah, guys, that is my room tour on a budget. I hope you guys do like videos like this because it's the first time I'm actually doing it, and I have fun doing it. It was a little difficult, but I hope it made sense. I hope the video's not too long. I hope the clips made sense and add up and make sure the math is mathing. I will leave a lot of stuff in the description box if you guys would like to purchase some of the stuff I already have in here or are interested in the stuff that I have. I will link everything in the description box, and I do have a couple more rooms to do, so if you guys want to see how they look or are interested in seeing how I revamp those rooms on a budget, then definitely make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and thumbs up this video to let me know that you're interested. And yeah, so I don't know what else to say, but thank you. I appreciate you guys for supporting me regardless of the fact that I am not consistent, but you guys are consistently supporting me regardless, so I really thank you. I appreciate you for that. So y'all, yeah, let me go make some dinner, get something to eat, and get ready for bed because it works in the morning. So I'll talk to y'all later. Bye y'all.